Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI, right? Currently ranked at 157 with a market cap of about $172 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $16.64 million. And today we are going to be looking at the AI price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So we are on our AI platform right here for YFI. As you can see, the current price of YFI is about the $5,209 dollars for YFI, and the last change or percentage change is about the 0.36, right? And basically our AI is more bearish on YFI for this week, right? And it's a propounding, right, that for the next few days, basically this week, we probably could see another 7% push to the downside right there for YFI. As you can see, sentiment is still bearish. Fear and greed index is still neutral, right? And so if we look at the price forecast based on technical analysis, as you can see, based on the data from today, the September 25th of 2023, the general YEARN.finance or YFI price prediction sentiment is bearish, with just 9 technical indicators indicating or signaling bullish signals, while 18 signaling bearish signals, right? So as you can see, 67% is bearish right here for YFI, while we have 33% of technical indicators are bullish, right? So overall, we are still bearish, and as you can see, the simulated price prediction for this week is a push to the upside first, right? And then we would end the week with a push to the downside, which is about a 7% push right there to the downside for YFI, right? So that's the analysis, right, for YFI. And our AI does this using a couple of technical indicators that you can see, such as the moving averages and also other indicators. It combines the daily SMAs, as you can see, combines all the daily SMAs and the daily EMAs, combines them with the weekly SMAs and the weekly EMAs, also uses the oscillators for YFI, which is the RSI, the stochastic RSI, the stochastic fast, the CCI, the ADX, the Osmo oscillator, and the momentum. So it combines all these values to be able to give us, right, a price prediction for this week, right, which is a 7% push to the downside right there for YFI. Mind you, many times we are very correct, right? The AI is usually very correct, but sometimes it's also wrong, right? So do not take this as financial advice. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.